Many clients ask, how long does divorce process take? The answer is it depends on case to case because there is a two type of divorce. First, mutual divorce अंडर सेक्शन 13B ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955 के तहत अगर दोनों पार्टी एग्री हो जाती है रिगार्डिंग एल्यूमिनी, चाइल्ड कस्टडी या कोई अगर दोनों पार्टी के बीच में मेंटेनेंस तय हुआ है तो. Second is a contested divorce. Most probably contested divorce will take time because contested divorce ये पर्टिकुलर ग्राउंड के बेसिस पे फाइल किया जाता है सच एज डिसीजन, क्रुएलिटी और अदर ग्राउंड एज पर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट. Contested divorce normally layman think कि once will file the one application and court will grant the divorce on a basis of their allegation, but ऐसा नहीं होता. Once you go with the contested divorce process, there is a particular law compliance क्योंकि अगर आप पिटिशन फाइल करते हो तो उसके बाद में एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस होती है सच एज फाइलिंग द पिटिशन, issue summon by the court to the opposite party, then opposite party will appear before the court with their legal counsel. उसके बाद में the written statement is there, chief of examination, issues, cross of examination, written argument, counseling. There is a numbers of processes there as per the law. तो अगर आपके माइंड में ये है कि opposite party is not agree for the divorce and I will go with the contested and court will grant the divorce, so no. If you go with the contested divorce, it will take some time, but यहाँ पे positive chances ये होते हैं कि once contested divorce filed before the honorable court, after filing the said process, matter counseling और mediation में जाता है तो there is a high chances that once you sit in front of counselor तो वहाँ पे matter resolve होने के ज़्यादा chances होते हैं.